Coding in 2026 demands more than just speed. It requires reliability, comfort, and powerful performance. Whether you're building software, developing apps, or working on complex projects, the right laptop can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 laptops for coding in 2026, ranked by performance, efficiency, and developer-friendly features. Stay with us until the end to see which laptop takes the #1 spot. Number 5, HP Spectre X360 2026 edition. The HP Spectre X360 2026 edition earns the number 5 spot on our list of the top 5 laptops for coding in 2026 thanks to its balance of performance, portability, and premium build quality. Designed for developers who want both power and mobility, this laptop combines a sleek convertible design with reliable hardware capable of handling demanding development workloads. At its core, the Spectre X360 2026 edition is powered by the latest Intel Core i7 series processor, delivering multiple cores and high clock speeds that ensure smooth performance when compiling code, running virtual machines, or multitasking between development environments. Whether you're working with integrated development environments like Visual Studio, IntelliJ IDEA, or compiling large code bases in C++, Python, JavaScript, or Go, this machine provides steady responsiveness and minimal lag. Connectivity is reliable with multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, making it easy to plug in external displays, keyboards, or debugging tools. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 ensures high-speed wireless performance, which is crucial when pushing code, synchronizing with cloud repositories, or participating in remote collaboration sessions. Security features, including biometric login and hardware-level protections, provide peace of mind for developers who handle sensitive data or deploy code to critical systems. The laptop's design also includes a privacy camera shutter, a small but important detail for developers who frequently join video conferences or virtual team meetings. Overall, the HP Spectre X360 2026 edition stands as a versatile and highly capable coding laptop, ideal for developers seeking a premium, all-around machine that excels in productivity, comfort, and performance. Number 4, Apple MacBook Pro 16 2026 model. The Apple MacBook Pro 16 2026 model earns the number 4 position due to its outstanding performance in demanding development environments, especially for mobile and web developers who work within the Apple ecosystem. Apple's continued refinement of its custom silicon has resulted in a machine that delivers both high performance and energy efficiency, 2 attributes developers crave. The MacBook Pro 16 pairs a powerful Apple Silicon M4 Ultra chip with ample unified memory and storage, providing exceptional speed when building applications, running simulators, and managing large code bases. Whether developing Swift applications for iOS and macOS or using cross-platform tools like Flutter or React Native, the performance consistency makes it a top choice this year. One of the key advantages of Apple's architecture is its unified memory design, which provides developers with fast access to large datasets and virtual machines without stuttering or slowdown. This is particularly helpful for full-stack developers who juggle back-end servers, databases, and front-end interfaces simultaneously. The high-resolution Retina display enhances text clarity and supports accurate color reproduction, an advantage when testing UI elements or debugging in visual interfaces. Xcode, Docker Desktop, Homebrew, and native Unix support make the MacBook Pro 16 a powerhouse for developers who depend on a robust command line environment. Whether you're developing for mobile, web, cloud, or system-level applications, the MacBook Pro delivers consistent reliability and performance. While positioned at a premium price point, the value it provides in performance, battery life, and ecosystem integration make it a compelling choice for serious developers in 2026. Number 3, Dell XPS 15 Plus 2026 version. The Dell XPS 15 Plus 2026 version takes the number 3 position thanks to its blend of powerful performance, premium design, and developer-friendly features that make it ideal for a wide range of coding tasks. Powered by the latest high-end Intel Core i9, or AMD Ryzen 9 processors. This machine is built to handle heavy workloads with ease, from container-based development environments to large-scale data processing and machine learning experiments. Memory configurations with upward of 32 gigabytes of RAM ensure that even the most demanding IDEs and virtual machines run smoothly without hitting performance bottlenecks. One of the standout elements of the Dell XPS 15 Plus is its stunning display. A larger screen real estate is particularly advantageous when juggling multiple windows, terminals, and documentation side by side. The refined keyboard offers excellent tactile feedback, and the precision touchpad adds to the responsive feel developers expect when navigating complex interfaces or managing multiple workspaces. The build quality of the Dell XPS line has always been a highlight, and the 2026 version is no exception. The sleek, minimal bezel design gives the laptop a modern look while keeping the chassis compact and portable. High-speed connectivity options, including Thunderbolt 4 and high-speed Wi-Fi 7, make it easy to connect external peripherals, displays, and high-performance storage. This flexibility makes the laptop a versatile choice for full-stack developers, systems engineers, and cloud-native architects alike. With strong performance, a premium display, and thoughtful design tailored to productivity and coding workflows, the Dell XPS 15 Plus 2026 version deserves its spot among the best coding machines available today. Number 2. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme Gen 5. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme Gen 5 claims the number 2 position due to its exceptional reliability, robust performance, and industry-trusted keyboard, making it a favorite among developers who code for long hours every day. Built with a focus on business resilience and professional use, the X1 Extreme Gen 5 pairs high-end Intel Core i9 processors with discrete graphics options, giving developers both CPU and GPU horsepower for accelerated workloads, such as GPU-accelerated machine learning, data science tasks, and complex simulation environments. Whether running heavy Docker containers, multiple virtual machines, or sophisticated testing suites, this laptop handles concurrency with minimal performance degradation. One of the signature features of the ThinkPad family is its keyboard, widely regarded as one of the best in the laptop world. The ThinkPad's legendary durability and robust build quality also give professionals confidence that the machine will withstand rigorous daily use. Security features such as the fingerprint reader, IR camera login, and ThinkShield protections ensure that sensitive code and credentials stay secure. The display options on the ThinkPad X1 Extreme Gen 5 are equally impressive, with high-resolution panels that offer excellent clarity and color accuracy. Battery performance is strong, and Lenovo's power efficiency optimizations ensure consistent performance even when unplugged. Linux compatibility remains a strong advantage for the ThinkPad line, with many professional developers enjoying a seamless experience running Linux distributions, whether for server-side development, embedded systems work, or cloud-native application pipelines. The ThinkPad X1 Extreme Gen 5's balance of performance, comfort, and durability makes it a top choice for serious developers seeking a long-term investment. Number 1. Apple MacBook Air Ultra 2026 Edition. The Apple MacBook Air Ultra 2026 Edition earns the number 1 position on our list of the top laptops for coding in 2026 because it manages to combine exceptional performance, unmatched portability, and world-class efficiency in a single elegant package. Powered by Apple's most advanced silicon yet, the M5 Ultra chip, this laptop delivers stunning performance across all development tasks without compromising battery life or thermal comfort. The unified memory architecture provides lightning-fast data access, ensuring that even complex projects, large code bases, and multiple virtual environments run smoothly without performance hiccups. The ultra-thin and lightweight design makes it ideal for developers who are constantly on the move, whether working from coffee shops, offices, campuses, or airports. The continuity features within the Apple ecosystem also allow seamless workflow transitions between iPhone, iPad, and Mac, enabling developers to test features across devices fluidly. Battery life on the MacBook Air Ultra sets it apart. Thanks to Apple's energy-efficient architecture, developers can work unplugged for hours on end, an advantage no serious coder should overlook, in addition to performance and battery life. The MacBook Air Ultra's build quality and long-term software support further reinforce its position as the best coding laptop of 2026. Whether you are a student learning your first programming language, an indie developer building apps, or a seasoned software engineer working on complex systems, the MacBook Air Ultra delivers the power, reliability, and workflow integration needed to stay productive and creative in every scenario. Its unmatched combination of performance, portability, and ecosystem synergy make it the #1 choice for developers in 2026. And that wraps up our list of the best laptops for coding in 2026. Each laptop we covered offers a unique mix of power, portability, and comfort designed to support long coding sessions and demanding workloads. No matter your skill level or development focus, choosing the right machine can boost your productivity and creativity. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and coding recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.